Hello and welcome to our deep dive into the world of piping and instrumentation diagrams. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. And in this video, we'll be exploring the vital role these diagrams play in the process industry. You'll learn why a piping and instrumentation diagram is much more than just a detailed picture of piping and controls, how it serves as a map for operational details and safety information, and why it's an essential tool for maintenance and operations teams. Moreover, we will also discuss the importance of labeling and how it aids in the organization and structured assembly of processes. So let's get started. A piping and instrumentation diagram is essentially a detailed picture of the piping, instruments, and controls for equipment in the process industry. It's like a map, showing you the control data, startup and shutdown procedures, safety information, regulatory requirements, and operational details. It's a visual guide illustrating how the branches, instrumentation, reducers, and valves fit and work together to meet the needs of a particular process. Now, let's talk about labeling. Even though many pieces of critical equipment may have the information in a piping and instrumentation diagram within the details of its asset records, it can be incredibly useful to tag individual components as well. The schematic of the piping and instrumentation diagram contains a wide range of symbols that correspond to individual parts. By tagging parts to match the piping and instrumentation diagram, a process company can organize unique collections of pumps and values easily. It also helps to assemble and disassemble a process in a structured way and record data such as specifications and materials for quick access when needed. According to the American Institute of Chemical Engineers, the information in a piping and instrumentation diagram is really just like a relational database of objects put together in a logical manner. This means that the piping and instrumentation diagram isn't just a one-time tool to be consulted at the beginning or end of a process, but rather something that should evolve over time. As operation technicians work with the processes within a facility, they will discover ways to improve the system or see potential problems within the process. Here's a tip for you. By having a centralized computer system like a CMMS that contains piping and instrumentation diagram tag data, it becomes easy to communicate those improvements to those who can make them. Plus, a process related to production may need to be altered in order to address production or capacity changes. The piping and instrumentation diagram can help provide the information on how to build out or reduce that process to meet current needs. Lastly, let's not forget about audits. Many companies will be required to conduct a process safety management audit or a hazard review from time to time, which requires accurate and current data. The piping and instrumentation diagrams, along with the tagging data, can serve as an important resource in which to conduct those periodic audits and evaluations. So there you have it. That's a quick rundown of what a piping and instrumentation diagram is and why it's so important in the process industry. It's not just a diagram, but a continuously evolving tool for improvement, communication, and compliance. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into piping and instrumentation diagrams. We've explored their role in the process industry, the importance of labeling, and how they serve as a continuously evolving tool for improvement, communication, and compliance. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning and improving.